Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Thanks for watching. This weekend it is Australia Day long weekend, so we are heading out to some of the family's farm just to kick back and relax. We'll show you a couple of recipes and we're planning on having a fish in the Kiewa River. So let's get into it.
Charlie's excited. Aren't you, Charlie? Let's go! You're probably looking at this awning and going, gee whiz, that looks brand new. And here, I'll tell you how we keep it that way. Check out this clip. So while the caravan's parked up, we get a bit of water in the rolled up awning and it creates these marks. I don't think they're mold, they could be mold, not sure. But we're gonna try and get rid of it today. We bought some Gumption from Bunnings. Apparently it's pretty common stuff. I haven't used it before, so we'll see how we go. Bit of water on the roof on a rag, and some circles on it, and we'll see if it comes off.
Came out pretty good.
It's very shiny.
That only took you about 5 minutes?
5 minutes, now I just need a ladder to do the last run at the very top.
Supervisor.
Here's the final product. Come up quite nice actually. That Gumption you can get at Bunnings, Aldi, reject shop. It's about, depending on the size, $5 to $10. Worked a treat. Now to have a beer and admire it.
Alright, so for dinner tonight, because we've just arrived, we're going to make it pretty easy. We're going to do pizzas, but I want to try something a little bit different. We're going to do a tandoori chicken pizza. So pretty simple recipe. We've got the tandoori paste, okay, from the supermarket. And then you just need a natural yogurt. Any brand, we use a lactose free. And you're going to need half a jar of this. mixed with about 5 tablespoons of the natural yogurt, and pre-mix that into your bowl or whatever container you're using to marinate your chicken. Ooh, muscles. Just going to use the whole jar. Give that a good mix. Okay, completely mixed in there. Then all you got to do is dump your chicken in. So we have pre-cut about 500 grams of chicken breast fillet. We'll probably make 2 pizzas. And anything we don't eat, we'll just have for a snack the next day. Alright, so really combining that well and coating and covering that chicken, and then you could leave that in the bowl covered in the fridge, but what I'm going to do is transfer it to our marinating container. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the fridge. Now, we usually marinate that a minimum of 3 to 4 hours, but you could leave overnight if you're wanting a bit more of a fuller flavour. Alright, so that's in the fridge marinating, and then we'll show you how we put the pizzas together in a few hours. So before we do any of our pizza prep, we're going to cook up the chicken. That's just our personal preference, rather than put the raw chicken straight onto the pizza. I think we might have shown you these before, but this is the brand pizza that base that we use when we don't want to make it from scratch, because it perfectly fits on the Weber pizza trays. Some of the other brands we've found, we've got to trim off the edge, which is just a bit annoying really. Just a little regular tomato paste. Now we're gonna do some red onion, some chopped green capsicum. We're gonna go on with the meat, and then we're gonna go with your pizza blend cheese. And then we put the cheese on outside, it's just less mess.
So I made a bit of a boo-boo last night. I got excited when the pizza was finished and I just cut it up and we ate it. And then after we ate it, Michelle said, did you get...
It was delicious.
Yeah. After we ate it, Michelle said, oh, did you get the GoPro and you get some good footage of the final product? And then I realised, no, I didn't. So just imagine in that last 30 seconds that you watched, there was a segment there of a delicious pizza coming out of the oven that we could have showed you, but I'm not going to show you where it is now.
Absolute amateurs over here. Good morning. So this morning we wanted to show you just a really simple morning breakfast recipe that we like to do on these off-grid trips. We're making breakfast burritos this morning. We've got some spring onion, some capsicum chopped up, bacon style pieces, some eggs. There's 4 eggs in there. We got your wraps and your cheese, sauce of your choice on there, and throw it all on the Weber plate to grill up. Beautiful, lovely, hot breakfast.
Here's the finished product. Bon appetit.
Thanks again for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already if you enjoy our videos. Take care, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now.